In Health News tonight, today is National Trauma Survivors Day.
Trauma is the #1 cause of death for Americans between the age of 1 and 46 years old. News 8's medical reporter Jocelyn Memento live tonight in our New Haven newsroom with how a former police officer injured in the line of duty is now recovering from his traumatic injuries. Jocelyn?
Ann and Darren, key to surviving is getting to a trauma center as quickly as possible. Then police officer Todd Lantoka was rushed to Hartford Hospital, clinging to life.
12:30 a.m., January 4th, 2012. While tracking down burglary suspects, East Hartford police officer Todd Lantoka was in the driver's seat of a cruiser parked on the breakdown lane of Route 2.
I was traveling down the breakdown lane and slammed in the back of the cruiser. I never saw it coming. My wife lived at the hospital for 30 days because as a nurse, she knew how bad my injuries were, and she didn't think I was going to live, and she didn't want me to die alone.
His extensive head injury, which damaged his brain, also left him blind.
I can't make out details. I can't tell your face. I can't drive a car. I can't read a book.
I thought that if he were to survive, that he would be severely disabled, maybe sort of a vegetative survivor, something like that, where he'd be in nursing care facility the rest of his life, hooked up to tubes.
Dr. Iman Qureshi, chief of neurology at Hartford Hospital, led the surgical team who saved Todd's life.
We go after it as if, as if there's a chance for something good to happen, but knowing full well that the odds are against him. And this is one of the few times where doing all that effort, making all that effort to try to save him paid off.
Open and dash Microsoft Word.
Today, the former police officer is a writer, publishing his first book, Officer Down, Man Up, to inspire other trauma patients.
The message is, even though bad things happen, that life does go on, and you only get one life. And it's up to you to decide what you're going to do with it.
Todd spent 30 days in intensive care and 17 days in rehab. Now he spends most of his time with his wife and 3 children. He's currently working on writing his first novel. Darren and Ann?
What an inspiration.
Really.
Really amazing. Jocelyn, thanks.